outrage over the gruesome rape and murder of a trainee doctor at Kolkata RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. Doctors will continue their protests across several hospitals in the country. In fact, the Federation of All India Medical Association has called for a nationwide shutdown of OPT service starting today. West Bengal BJP will also stage a protest in Calcutta demanding the handing over of the case to the Central Bureau of Investigation and justice for the family of the victim. Now, the protesters are questioning the hurry with which Sandeep Ghosh was given a new appointment. Remember, Ghosh had resigned yesterday as a principal of the medical college, and within hours of his resignation, the West Bengal government appointed him as the principal of the Calcutta National College. Now, in fact, the protesters also burned the effigy of Sandeep Ghosh last night after his resignation and after he was reinstated. Now, Sandeep Ghosh has been replaced by Dr. Suhitra Paul as the new principal of RG Kar Medical College, and BJP has raised question on the appointment of Dr. Paul at the medical college where the incident had taken place, alleging that she's another TMC apologist who has been brought in with the sole objective of influencing the probe and also eliminating all the evidences. Now, BJP has slammed this Mamata government, accusing her of trying to erase any hope for justice for the victim and the family members. Now, meanwhile, Calcutta police has taken into custody last 30 days of CCTV footage from the medical college to check with all the departments. Sanjay Ray frequently visited. He's the accused in the case, and who else, in fact, accompanied him in the last 30 days. Cops have also summoned the assistant superintendent of the medical college and the HOD of the chest medicine at 11 o'clock. So, this is as far as the Calcutta horror is concerned. Now, in another crucial development related to the case, the Calcutta High Court is likely to hear a PIL filed by an activist seeking CBI investigation into the incident. This comes as doctors are up in arms and have hit the streets, not just in the West Bengal, but also different parts of the country. Catch a glimpse of how doctors protested across the country seeking safety for the medical staff.
कोलकाता के सरकारी अस्पताल में जिस बर्बरता के साथ महिला डॉक्टर का बलात्कार और उसके बाद उसकी हत्या कर दी गई, आज कोलकाता की सड़कों पर जो है डॉक्टर से लेकर समाज के हर वर्ग के लोग और बुद्धिजीवी सड़कों पर उतरे हैं। आपको बता दें, ये विरोध प्रदर्शन उसके बलात्कार और हत्या के खिलाफ है।
अगर हम सेफ नहीं फील करेंगे अपने ही हॉस्पिटल में, जहाँ पे हम 36 घंटे की ड्यूटीज देते हैं, तो फिर उसके बाद हम उसके अंदर जाने में भी सेफ नहीं फील करेंगे, विच इज वाई हम अपना काम we have put our pens down और हमने काम करना बंद कर दिया है।
Well, massive outrage by the healthcare workers, doctors across India after a trainee doctor has been assaulted, raped and then murdered in an unfortunate incident happened at the RG Kar Hospital in the Kolkata. And after that, the Doctors Association across the India has given a call, and we can clearly see here several healthcare workers, including doctors, they gathered here at the Gandhi, one of the biggest government hospital in the Telangana state, and they are demanding that action should be initiated immediately, and they are demanding justice for the
doctors nationwide are out on streets protesting. We are here at All India Institute of Medical Sciences in National Capital, where the junior doctors have now walked out of their respective duties in various departments of All India Institute of Medical Sciences and protesting.
हम ये इंसिडेंट को लास्ट अराउंड 60 आवर्स हो गए, 65 आवर्स हो गए, उसको हम लोग क्लियरली फॉलो कर रहे हैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से, वहाँ की मीडिया से, वहाँ के रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर से, बट अभी तक का कोई कंक्लूसिव एविडेंस नहीं आया है। हमारी उसी चीज़ को देखते हुए आज हमने डिसाइड किया है कि एम्स में हम लोग एक स्ट्राइक के लिए जाएंगे।
Meanwhile, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee visited victims' residence yesterday to meet the grieving family. She assured that the case will be handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation if Calcutta police fails to solve the case by Sunday. Now, BJP has slammed Mamata government and pressed for immediate handing over the probe to the central agency. BJP co-in charge for West Bengal, Amit Malviya, in fact, he claimed that Sunday deadline set by the Mamata government is a bit to buy more time to undermine the investigation and intimidate the victim's family. Listen in.
এবং আমি চাই পুলিশ যত তাড়াতাড়ি সম্ভব দোষীদের গ্রেফতার করবে, আর রবিবার পর্যন্ত যদি তারা কোন কিনারা করতে না পারে, কারণ ভেতরেও তো অনেকে আছে, তাহলে এই কেসটা আমরা আমাদের হাতে রাখবো না, আমরা সিবিআই কে দিয়ে দেবো। তার কারণ হচ্ছে আমার এতে কোনো পাওয়ার লেনা দেনা কিছু নেই, আমি প্রথম দিন থেকেই বলছি, কিন্তু ওদের সাকসেস রেট খুব কম।
आप उसकी ठीक से पोस्टमार्टम नहीं कराते हैं। आप इनक्वेस्ट रिपोर्ट ठीक से नहीं बनाते हैं। डॉक्टर अजीब प्रकार की बातें कर रहे हैं, कुछ लोग सुसाइड की बात कर रहे हैं। क्या मतलब है इसका? हम डिमांड करते हैं सीबीआई इंक्वायरी, जो वहां की भाजपा ने कहा है। और ममता जी, आप बार बार सीबीआई से भागती हैं, कम से कम एक मरी हुई डॉक्टर की नृशंस हत्या के लिए न्याय दे दीजिए आप।
My colleague Tapas joins us live on the broadcast. Tapas, PIL will be heard today. A protest will continue. There's a demand for CBI inquiry. But take us through how the investigation in this case is proceeding.
Well, see, there are 4 PIL which have been combined and will be heard today at the Chief Justice's court at Calcutta High Court. But as far as the progress of the investigation is concerned, we know that the main accused, Sanjay Rai, is already in the custody of the police. On the other hand, police is also looking for other elements, and they have collected forensic samples from the place of occurrence yesterday late in the evening. Dog squad was also brought in, and they tried to ascertain whether anyone else was involved into it. They are also seeking for 30 days CCTV footage to understand whether or not Sanjay Roy was accompanied by any other person in the last 30 days. So that they can zero into other persons if involved in this case, because the parents of the victim had alleged that this could be this cannot be an handiwork of one person, that's Sanjay Roy, but it could also be handiwork of some other persons involved into it, could be a part of the greater conspiracy. Mamata Banerjee yesterday clearly stated that if police is unable to make a breakthrough by Sunday, then the state is ready to hand over the case to the CBI. In wake of this, today the former deputy super of Arjikar Hospital have been summoned by Kolkata police, along with the head of the department, Arunabha Datta Chaudhary, of the chest medicine of Arjikar, have also been summoned. So they are believed to be one of the crucial links as far as procuring information are concerned. So overall, we can say that the investigation process is at its peak, and Kolkata police is leaving no stone unturned to nab other victims if involved in this case. But pressure is mounting on both police as well as the administration. We know that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee holds the portfolio of both health minister as well as police minister. So the pressure is also mounting on them. The ruling party have been and the state government have also been appealing to all the political classes not to politicize the issue. But it remains to be seen that how things unfold today, because Sondip Ghosh, who resigned as the principal of Arjikar yesterday, had been reappointed as the principal of Calcutta National Medical College. That have spurred a new controversy and become a flashpoint between the protesting doctors and the state administration. So today is going to be a very dramatic and a happening day. In one hand, the investigation process. On the other hand, the administrative development within the Calcutta National Medical College and Arjikar Medical College, and obviously what observation court gives while hearing 4 consolidated PILs is something that will remain to be seen. Back to you.
That's right. BJP is demanding CBI probe into this. Mamata Banerjee has given the cops time till Sunday to complete this case. Thanking Tapas for all the inputs. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. But right